Hello dear friends, New Hope Incorporated is welcoming you, and in this video we're going to tell you in detail how to install New Hope inside, how to launch the program settings. First of all, we are renting a server, which we're using for uploading brokerage's files, MT4 or MT5, and the archive with our trading bot. In this video, we'll describe you MT4 and how to install it. Let's begin with the terminal of the brokerage we're interested in. So, we're installing its terminal. On the example of a demo account, I'll show you how to run the software. MT4 has been installed. Now we're about to open a demo account and we'll continue with the next stages. We're choosing a demo server. Then open an account. I agree and press OK. Here are our parameters. Later, we'll take them from the tab Mailbox. New account registration. Thus, we're taking the archive. Extract the compressed folder into the folder 3.0. Then we're going to the working folder of the bot itself and follow to the distribution folder. There are drivers. We need 2 drivers for the correct work of MT4. This is Microsoft Net Framework. As we can see, it's unnecessary on this particular PC, since it has been previously installed. However, on some PCs you might need it. There will be servers with framework pre-installed. So therefore, if after or during the installation you get a message that the driver is already installed, you shouldn't delete the driver and reinstall it again. Everything is already installed. Now we're moving to the next driver, Microsoft Visual C++. Put a tick I agree and install it. The installation itself takes just a few seconds. Now we are closing the drivers. We have installed them. Let's get to the further point. For correct software functioning, we need to run an auxiliary program, New Hope Feeds. We're following to the folder. Go to the tab Options and type your license's name. It is received by email, so you can check out it in your inbox. Then we're pressing the button Save License Key. If everything is correct, you'll see the notification above that the file downloading has been completed. We're pressing OK, and then we're adding tools. For example, you can add URUSD, JIR30, and US30. Then we are pressing Connect, and from the right you'll see that the license is correct and that you've subscribed to Quartz. On the left you can see the Quartz. If you want to delete some instrument, you can press on it once and then press Delete. In order to get it back, you can choose an instrument again, press Add. That's all, we're done with this program. Now we're going to our terminal MT4. We're pressing File, Open Data Folder, the hidden folder. Next, we're minimizing the terminal window. Here we go into the config folder. Finding the server's name we're using. This is a demo server. Then you should copy this file and go to the folder with the EA itself. It's New Hope inside hidden MT4 3.0. Here is the broker's files. We're copying it into there and launch the program itself. Then, after the program is open, we should press the Settings button. Then it's necessary to type our license's name, which we have already written in data feeds. we are writing everything the same here. Then we are writing our logging. For that, we're going to MT4, opening Mailbox, and the letter with the data, and move this data to the settings. Firstly, logging, then we're copying and pasting the password and the server's name. The server's name we can take from the broker's files and paste it here. Then we're pressing OK and connect. Now we see that the equity balance of 50,000 is displayed, as we have set it up earlier. We also see the client's name, the server's name, time, and number of the account. It means we've just been connected to the server. In order to make sure that everything is correct, let's add a trading tool we're going to use. I'll remind you that we've installed 3 instruments. There are URUSD, DAX 30, and US 30. DAX 30 and JUR 30 have different names. We'll pay more attention to this point a bit later when we'll be adding them. Then we're choosing from the tools list URUSD, pressing Add and write the tool's title, which we see in MetaTrader 4. Because there was URUSD without any suffixes. Now we're going to the parameter settings. Here we're choosing 1. You can read more about it in the detailed instructions why you should choose this parameter. Then we're setting up the minimal impulse parameter as 2, the ticks amount as 20. But at first, you should choose 0 to avoid calculations. Because this parameter is responsible for quotes equation and their period of equation. We always choose 20 ticks because it allows to equate the quotes and make the parameters equal to the brokers. Then we need to point your virtual take profit and stop loss. After that, we shouldn't use the next parameters. Just press the button Open Hedge. This button is for hidden version of our product. We'll take more thoroughly about hidden trading strategy in some other video. So, we're pressing OK, and if everything is proper, we can see how the fast and slow quotes are going. Also, you can see here spread and the amount of order. We've put a tick Open Hedge, but there are no orders. What is it related to? That's very simple. We haven't pressed Start Trade. As soon as we press Start Trade, you can see the 2 orders at once, and the Orders tab is visible. Moreover, you can see that the orders have appeared in the terminal. If we zoom in a little bit, we'll see these 2 orders. Now we're moving to the other tools. Press DAX M. Let's add it. Again, to make sure everything is correct, let's open the graph here as well to see the orders. Then we're going to JUR 30. Open it and rewrite its name as it has been mentioned at the brokers. GDAX M. Let's check out the minimal amount. For that, press New Order and check out the minimal lots amount. Then write 0.01. It doesn't work. Then 0.1. Now it's fine. It means 0.1 is the minimal amount of the order. Then put a tick Open Hedge and put 0.1 parameter. After that, you may choose 1 or 2. These are standard settings. They can be changed depending on your trading style. We usually use these parameters, but they are suitable only for those tools which you are well acquainted with if you know how to work with them. If you use cryptocurrency or want to choose a currency and don't know how to choose the parameters, you can always contact us and we'll tell you how to make it properly. We are pressing OK and see that 20 ticks have been counted, and after that, the 2 orders at once have been opened, which is great. Then we're going to the next point, US 30. and write the tool's name. Forgot to mention that here on the graph the orders have also appeared. Now we are moving to US30M. Write the title with hash WS30M. We can copy this title, and in order to avoid filling in the all lines again, we can choose the list from where we can copy all the data. For example, we're pressing GR30, then OK, and the parameters have been automatically copied, aside from the tool's name. After that, we're writing the tool's name and pressing OK. Oh, I see we have forgotten to press Open Hedge. Now, if we press OK, we can see that the two orders have been opened. At the given moment, the program is functioning correctly. If you need to connect to any other brokerage on the server, you can create 5 connections at once. In order to do that, we recommend to go to the folder with bots and copy and paste the data. Another folder will be created, and you can use it for trading with other brokers. All you need is the SRM name of the other broker. And you should write the connection settings. These programs don't conflict with each other. Data feeds can be used only in one window at once, because it provides all tools at once. If you have an MT4, URUSD, DEX, US30, but the other broker has USD Canada, you may add it here, and the necessary quotes will appear in each concrete program. You just need to point out the entire list of all tools you're going to use. Next, I'd like to describe the program settings in terms of its visual part. Firstly, it's a server's time, where we have installed the program. Secondly, the account is your account number, broker is the server's name, client is the owner's name, balance is the amount of money you have right now by the closed orders. Equity is the current balance of money including opened orders. Profit is your profit, but it's a bit negative now, because we've opened 6 orders and they have a little loss. Program describes the version you having at the moment, that is MetaTrader 4. Also, there are such parameters as leverage, time, and limit. Time and limit parameters are set up in the settings and they mean how much equity you can afford with their up or down positions and when you would like to stop trading. Often, you can see the up parameter, because when there's a high volatility and the trading advisor starts getting a good profit, it's a rational idea to put this parameter to avoid the broker's indignation. So let's say when people have 50,000 on their balance, they may put 70,000 limit and then the trading will be stopped. Here's the start and ending of the trades. It's the planner of your trading, and the limit parameters show how much time is left till the trading stops. So we've taken a look at the lower part of the program's interface and how to add a tool. The removal of the tool is possible by using the delete button, and after that, the tool is deleted from the list. There are 2 buttons, Save and Load. By using Save, you write all your tool settings, and they are saved in your trading space. Then you can press Load, and this button will load any config on all tools at once. Config is located in the Set Trading folder. If we close the program, the Set Trading folder is inside of the bots folder. Here all settings are saved. Let's move to the next step. You can see the updates block above. They are related to the 3.0 version. The About button has our company's licenses descriptions, our contacts. Everything is clickable, so you can press, for example, on the site, and it will be opened. Also, you see the blue highlight on our Skype and email. you can contact us. Next, you see the History tab with the history of all orders. There's a scroll up and down button. You can see all information about the orders without opening MetaTrader 4 itself. You can even close it because the program works without it. Then the Orders tab. There are opened orders. You see that we opened 2 orders by UR/USD, DEX by 0.1 and US30 by 0.1 of the lot. And now we see all these orders online. The most important update is the Chat tab, where you can watch all ticks within last 20 minutes in real time, which took place. Aside from Price tab, there's a Diff tab, showing difference online, and if there was any rapid rise or fall, you can always take a look at it and analyze. For example, there was a big jump on the 26th seconds. So we are going to Price tab and see this change exactly around this time. Thanks for watching and good luck!